Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna replace the broken patio door handle. Let me show you how. It was completely broken. There is only a few screws holding that. Remove, this is gonna come out. And there is one more on this side. Let me show you. It's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like this. And also I would like to show you the guys to the beach here. It's nice and beautiful. Alright, get back to work. Now we're gonna install new handle. This is the new handle. And of course we need to install thumb turn first. This piece. That's the handle. And we're gonna put this from outside. Like this. And then you're gonna stick this in here like this, and there's a plastic washer on here, and that is the clamp for it, and you need to press with your tools and it's gonna go into it. Let me show you. Hold it with the other tool, press the other side. It's a little bit difficult, but you can do it. Just keep pressing. And it's gonna hold like that. Let me show you closer. You need to press this ring very well, and it's gonna hold, not come out. So now we're gonna install that too here. It comes with special screws, and we're gonna install that. This latch gonna go into that hole like this, and we're gonna put that screws here, and this one here. We're gonna do some more things in there, and this thumb turn, let me show you. This thing basically locks this one like this. So, and now I'm going to put the other handle. This is the other side, and this is the bolt, but this needs to go through this hole. I'm gonna drill this bigger little bit. I'm gonna do that outside. We're also gonna remove this so I can drill these two holes here. Okay. Now we're gonna install that. Okay, and then install that screw all the way, and this goes to the other side all the way like this. I'm gonna put this in here. It's gonna be like this. We're just gonna install that from the other side. Let me show you if I can. And I'll put this in here. It's gonna be like this. And we're gonna put washer in here too, like this, and goes to all the way in. I need to drill this hole a little bit better. Okay. So I think now should be okay. Okay, now let me show you closer. As you see, we put 2 bolts from here, and then we also installed that bolt from here, tightened up, and let's see, like this, and it's gonna latch to here. All right, everybody. That's all for today. If you like my video and if it is useful at all, please subscribe my channel and help me to grow it. So I'm just trying to help everybody who needs information about fixing. And thank you very much for watching my videos. And this is the beautiful beach. Have a nice day.